Welcome back to my final morning report narrative video on Tuesday 5th of February with me, Richard Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's have a look at gold. We spoke about this little correction that we've seen in the last couple of days that gathered pace yesterday but has so far held up at 1310. That is the long-term pivot band, the top of the long-term pivot band, 1300 to 1310. Going back to early 2016 actually, that has been a key pivot band. It was resistance in January. It's now a basis of support, 1300 to 1310. And interesting that we picked up from 1308 yesterday. 1308 was the reaction low we saw back and end of Jan. Now, I suppose eagle-eyed amongst you would probably suggest that this could end up being a head and shoulders top. So that would imply 1308 back from 1326. So about 16 bucks, 16, 17 bucks of correction potentially. So we need to be a little bit careful of that if that does happen. But ultimately, it would just be a correction back within this uptrend. So I think that we need to be a little bit cautious about getting too negative about gold if it does start to drop through 1310, maybe even 1300, because I think these are long-term levels that I think are still key. And the breakout, I think, was a key move. Now, you've got the momentum indicators, which are still strong, but they're just dropping back on a near-term basis. Strong on a medium-term basis, they are, but still a little bit corrective near-term. And this is just a little correction probably within this trend higher. 1290 is where that 3-month uptrend, or thereabouts 3-month, comes in. So this is a little move back that's again just failed at 1316 today. A very slight near-term pivot I talked about yesterday. Old high became supportive. Again, resistance in the last couple of sessions. 1316. So a move above 1316 would improve, but as I said, could turn into a little head and shoulders top and imply about sort of 16, 17, 18 bucks of downside, and again that would be back towards that uptrend. So could happen, but not happening yet. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.